What would you do without water? Hey, welcome to EnvironMinute-Episode 6, the importance of water. So Edgenuity is going to start off talking about the water cycle, but I think we've mentioned that enough times in class that you guys are going to be successful about. There's a lot of biological properties of water I want to get into. First of all, it's the universal solvent. It helps carry all the minerals and nutrients that we need through our body. But more on that in Episode 7. I'd like to talk today about the structure of water. As you can see, it kind of looks like a Mickey Mouse upside down with 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen, which gives us some unique properties. It kind of has a magnetic property. We call it a polarity. Makes water a polar molecule. 2 properties that it has is cohesion and adhesion. So adhesion is that it likes to stick to other things, and cohesion is it likes to stick to itself. You may have seen this happen as water beads up on the surface of a freshly waxed car, as this image portrays right here. Also, you may have seen a water strider glide across the water. That cohesive property of water makes the water tension strong enough so the water strider does not sink through. Also, you can do an experiment at home with a balloon. You just charge it up on your hair, put it under a stream of water, and you'll see that stream of water bend into the balloon because of that attractive force.
Hello everyone, it's Miss Faison with another segment of Facing the Facts. This topic is the importance of water. Water is all around us. It's in the air that we breathe, it's in the food that we eat, it's even an essential component in the drinks that we drink. Did you know that the human body can go up to 3 weeks without food, but only 3 to 4 days without water? Today's fact is one that you should already know because we covered it before school got out. 75% of the Earth's surface is covered in water, and only 3% of that is actually fresh water. Now, your homework, who can tell me where that 3% is found? Know this, water is a vital part of life. It's our job to keep it clean.
It's easy to tell when a plant hasn't had enough water. This time lapse I'm playing right here shows a plant wilting due to lack of water. The interesting thing is that plants gain water by losing water. So we talked about the cohesive property of water molecules. So at the top of the plant, as it evaporates water through the process of transpiration, those little water molecules tug on a chain from the roots, pulling more and more water molecules up into the plant stems and leaves and providing it all the water and nutrients that it needs. All right, I try to keep this episode short for you guys. Hope you have a wonderful week and stay tuned and look out for our last episode next week. Have a great Memorial Day weekend too. This is the problem with doing on location shoots. You got a leaf blower blowing